Imagine a world where your daily walk, your bike ride, even the way you move through life could power up your devices. This isn't sci-fi, it's the frontier of human-powered energy, and we're about to explore how it might just revolutionize the way we charge our gadgets. Your body is already a powerhouse. Every stride, every movement generates energy. But how much can you really produce? We're breaking down the numbers to see if your sweat could soon replace your charger. Every step you take, every motion, is a tiny burst of energy waiting to be captured. But how do we turn that into something useful? Piezoelectric materials, kinetic harvesters. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the building blocks of a future where your body's energy fuels your tech. Let's put theory into practice. I'm about to try out some of these human-powered devices like a kinetic backpack and a pedal-powered charger to see how much real-world energy we can actually generate. Spoiler alert, it's not as simple as waving your hands, but the results might surprise you. Imagine a world where your phone charges itself with every step. No outlets, no cords, just pure human energy. But is this sci-fi fantasy or a glimmer of our future? We're about to test the boundaries of what's possible when it comes to turning movement into power. Skeptics say human-powered tech is inefficient, but what if it's not about replacing the grid, but redefining sustainability? Every small motion adds up. Could this be a niche solution for off-grid living or emergency charging? The numbers might surprise you. I'm about to find out if I can turn my own body into a power source using nothing but scrap materials and some basic science. If this works, it's not just about charging a phone, it's a glimpse into how small-scale energy could change the way we think about sustainability. Human-powered tech isn't about replacing the grid, it's about redefining sustainability on a personal scale. Every step, every movement, could be a tiny contribution to a greener future. If we can harness even a fraction of this energy, it might just change how we power our lives.